Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the cell style on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the cell style color on your Microsoft Excel web, I'm just going to show in this video. For an example, here I just added 100 value of 100. So I just increased this and like 1000 or 200 or 500, something like this. Okay, so I just need to mention the value in colors, so you can just change the cell style by using this. Click on the cell with that. You just need to change the cell style. Now you will see an option on the top. Here you have a lot of options on the top. Here you will see option called cell styles. Click on this and you can find normal, bad, good, neutral. This is a normal thing. And data model like calculation, check cell, you can just use it for this. For an example, I just want to have a good like this, and this is a medium section which have a lesser value like neutral, and or this will also be like to the green cloud. If you want to change the green cloud in a two different way, you can see the themed cell styles. So here you can find a different style color. For an example, to the 1000, I just can have a bold green. So you can make a difference between the values by using this color section on the top. Okay, so going to the cell style, you can just also change the different colors. You can see this is a number format if you just needed to use, and you can just change every cell color or cell style by using this option on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.